Hello YouTube, Dion from Adex Tech with the unboxing of bequiet System Power 9 700-watt power supply. Now this seems to be a value for money purchase since this is an 80+ bronze power supply with a great build quality, a silent fan, and from a manufacturer that is really well reputable. So all the aforementioned and the website can be read on both sides. And if we check the specs here, this still seems to be a really great offer for the asking price, especially in comparison with other power supplies in the market. There is in various languages all the information and the specification of this product in a short overview on the side. So let's open the box here and check closely the power supply itself and all its accessories that is included in this box. So okay, the seal is broken here, so we can open this box like that, and now inside of it we will find, of course, the power supply. And as you can see here, first of all we have the manual. This is of a foldable type, so let's check this one. I was expecting something of a booklet, but okay, we have to unfold this one. This seems to be just fine for less the amount of paper needed. Here we have all the connection types of the cables, and again this is in various languages. The current, the volts, everything technical spec is here for reference if you are not having checked this out on the internet, so take a good look at it before the purchase. Now here we have the power supply unit, and we can just take it out of the box. And okay, there's something else here. Okay, we have the cables here, so now we can remove it. And this is a pile of cables, some silica gel bag, some screws. This is nice. Another cable, and the box is empty. Now this bunch of cables must be untied, but let us remove this bubble wrap bag here, and there we have it. There's a bequiet logo here. I guess this is something that's covering it. On the one side we have again the bequiet logo engraved. On the back we have an on-off switch, the power input, quite typical of any PSU. And here we have all the specs again on this side of the power supply. What is more, we have a TÜV Rheinland certification that makes this even better. But let us untie the cables and have a closer look at the available connections here. Now this is not a modular power supply unit, so you have to deal with this mess of cables by cable managing. Hopefully most of modern cases have a certain compartment or some kind of plan to deal with all the cables while building your PC. Now there are plenty of SATA connectors, PCIe connectors, the motherboard power, and some extra 4-pin connector to match any motherboard. And the same goes for the GPU. You can check that in the description below with further details. Now last but not least, we also have the power cable that we connect with the wall socket. I'm still happy that this seems to be a fairly long cable, even adding this one, because with some cost cutting practices would not include such a cable. But here, as you can see, they didn't chip out with the expense of adding a cord for powering up your power supply. And again, the length seems fair, so we just have to connect this to our power supply here in the power in socket, and the other end should be connected with a wall plug. Actually it's the other way around, like that, and it's ready to go. Just install it in the PC case and connect to your motherboard. Now we have the screws here. Overall, this is a great product. It's tailored for many systems and graphics cards, and given its price, I can totally recommend this bad boy. So this was the unboxing of the bequiet System Power 9 700-watt power supply. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from Adex Tech, thank you for watching.